Welcome to another video. Within this course, we are going to create a car showroom using Unity and Blender. The case study built project has been created based on my previous video and made use of Unity paired with 3ds Max. The project will include an exploded view animation of a car that will be triggered by the user on demand using the button template from SteamVR. The project will also integrate some videos that will be positioned within the environment and linked to the same button prefab from the SteamVR template. Additionally, we are going to see how to set up and rig a car in Blender for various interactions within the virtual reality environment. Aspects regarding material setup and material transfer from Blender towards Unity will also be discussed to enable transparency and double-sided materials within Unity. As we can see, the scene has been built on the default interaction scene from SteamVR. We can make the application compatible with a wide variety of VR headsets, including the most popular HTC Cosmos and Vive Pro, as well as the popular Index headset developed by Steam. If there won't be any SteamVR compatible VR linked to the computer, the application will go to the default keyboard and mouse interaction. I will make use of the Unity version 2022.3.19 F1 within this course. You can use a newer version that will be compatible with the SteamVR package from the Asset Store. Regarding Blender, I will make use of the newer version 4.1.1. By the end of this course, you will be able to build your first VR application within Unity using the SteamVR template. Within the follow-up video, we are going to create the Unity project and add the SteamVR template. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.